Hey guys, let's see how to take a screenshot on a Samsung phone without using the power button. Okay, so it's pretty easy. You see here that I have this icon that I can just press and take a screenshot. Okay, so you see, very, very easy to use. Let me just delete this one, and I can move this icon to different locations, and I can have it anywhere on my phone, right? At first, you don't have this icon here available, right? But you can just enable. See, pretty simple. Just come here to the settings. Let me just move it down. You come here to the settings, and then you need to look for accessibility. There we go. In here, you look for interaction and assistant menu. And here you can enable or disable, right? If I click here again, I'm gonna turn it off, and you see that's gone. All right, so pretty easy. Let me just show you again. So you come to accessibility. There we go. And interactions. And you just enable the assistant menu. You have this button back here. All right. So pretty easy. And let me show you in a different version here. I have different Android version 9. That's the one. You see here that I have the same button here for screenshots. All right. So I just need to come here to the settings. I'm just enable here in the settings. And accessibility, and here you see interactions. There we go, assistant menu. I can disable or enable here, all right? Then I have the button working, and I can put whatever I want here and just take a screenshot. There we go, okay? So very easy. That's the way you can take a screenshot on a Samsung phone without power button. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.